Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add and remove Bookmarks Duckduckgo app in computer. So how to add and remove Bookmarks Duckduckgo app in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the DuckDuckGo application on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the DuckDuckGo application. To edit bookmarks in the DuckDuckGo application, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here tap right, Bookmark, and a scrolling menu will appear. And tap the Manage Bookmark menu. Now here you will be directed to the Manage Bookmarks menu. Tap Bookmark here to manage it. Now you can see in the bookmarks here there are two websites, namely Google and YouTube. For example, here I will add a website or URL. Tap on the Add Bookmarks section. Now here the bookmark input menu will appear. For example, I will add Yahoo. In the name section, type Yahoo. And here in the URL section, type in full www.yahoo.com. After finishing, tap Add. Now here it has been added. Let's see that we can add the Yahoo URL. Open a new tab. Now we open the bookmark in the left corner. Tap on Yahoo. Now here we can enter the Yahoo menu. And for example, we want to delete one of the bookmarks. Enter the song to the Manage Bookmark menu. Select the one you want to delete. Tap the delete icon here. So that's it, the tutorial how to add and remove Bookmarks Duckduckgo app in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.